Sometimes if your grunt's not quite right, the sound guy goes, no, I can get a grunt from the other scene that you did. So plethora of grunts out there.
Great.
A few yelps, the odd, what? Oh, lots of those noises in and around the place.
Hey, I'm here with Eddie Redmayne. Hello!
Hello!
Now, you are the star of Early Man. You probably know this already.
This is, well, my character is definitely, I play that guy there.
This guy here.
Doug.
That is Doug.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about him?
He has a massive mouth, which I do. He has really wide eyes and eternal optimism and hope and joy, and he's really uncynical. Qualities I had to work on. But yeah, no, he's a lovely guy, and I loved playing him.
And he has to save his tribe from kind of being defeated by the evil baddies in the Bronze Age.
By the evil football-playing Bronze Age baddies.
Yeah.
He does. And I don't want to give away the ending, but it goes well. Yeah.
Were you into football before you watched this?
No, I'm useless at football.
Okay.
But what I love about this football is love about this film is you don't have to be in a football to enjoy it. So I'm useless at football. Nick, who made the film, Nick Park, is also useless at football. But he always wanted to make a sort of sporting underdog film, and he cast someone that was useless at sport to play the goats. But I get to do things like, I'm made of clay, but I get to do like scissor kicks and all those things that I've always dreamt of being able to do, which is fun.
Do you have a little version of Doug at home and you can just reenact it?
No, but they always say on films that they're going to give you like the model version. They never do.
You should take it immediately.
Take it. I think I might go and just sort of.
I've seen one next door. If you just nick it, they won't know.
Just nick it. No one will ever know.
They'll never be able to tell.
I'm literally going to go and do that now.
Was it a bit scary doing an Aardman film because they're quite big deals?
Do you know it was? But he is so lovely, Nick Park, that he instantly puts you at ease. I sort of was really nervous to meet him, but he's so kind and he makes it feel like he's making a little. It's almost like a hobby. He's making this little thing, and yet he has such detail and he brings such passion to it that you can't help but be kind of swayed into it. Yeah.
When you're filming it as well, or recording, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you have a football to make the football noises and the grunts, or do you just have to do it there and then?
You
and
have
just
to
hope?
do it there and then and hope. You just do a lot of grunting.
Right.
And sometimes if your grunt's not quite right, the sound guy goes, no, I can get a grunt from the other scene that you did. So plethora of grunts out there.
Great.
A few yelps, the odd, what? Oh, lots of those noises in and around the place. Yeah.
Now, I have a little quiz, if that's okay.
Yeah, please.
It's a working title, I'm not going to lie.
Okay.
It's called Football or Foot Lol. It's a true or false game.
Okay, good.
I'm going to give you 3 facts.
Foot lol.
Foot lol, yeah.
As in lol.
lols. Yeah.
Good, got you, good.
We'll get there.
Perfect.
I'll
Loving
develop the title, it's fine. I've got 3 facts
Yeah.
I'll give you, if you can tell me whether they're true or false.
Yeah.
Okay. Fact or not fact, number 1. Tom Hanks is a fan of Aston Villa.
I sort of think that's so random that it's fact.
It is indeed true,
Yeah.
apparently he just loves the name as well.
Loves
he loves the name
Aston Villa. It is a good name now that comes to think of it.
True or false? Okay. Dundee have a 100% record of beating Barcelona.
I think, again, that's so random that it's true.
That is true, yes.
Wow.
That is very true.
I'm nailing this quiz.
4 times. Oh my goodness, okay.
Wow.
And now, right, which one do I pick? Okay, Sheffield FC is the oldest football club in the world.
Definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
True, yeah.
It's great. This is my newfound career. Football quiz answerer.
Football or football, I think you are the ultimate winner of that quiz.
It's amazing.
And last question, what is your favourite bit of the whole entire film? What bit should we look out for?
This dude.
Oh, yeah!
This totally steals the film in my eyes.
Does he actually have a name?
No, I don't think so.
He's just incredibly cute.
Well, yeah, or she. I actually don't know.
Or
He's
she,
just
that's a good
incredibly cute. And even when she is being burnt alive, still having that great time.
Makes it all the way through the film, still lives all the way through. Well, brilliant. Thank you so much for chatting to us, Eddie.
Thank you.
It's fab.
Nice to see
Thank
you.
you.